Umbrella insurance for high net worth individuals, the ultimate shield for wealth protection. Discover how umbrella insurance acts as a powerful financial safeguard for high net worth individuals. This expert podcast dives deep into asset protection, liability risk management, and why extra coverage is essential in today's litigious world. If you're a high net worth individual living in today's ultra-litigious society, you're playing a high-stakes game, and the price of losing could be everything you've worked for. Imagine a single lawsuit wiping out your home, your investments, and even your future earnings. This isn't fear-mongering, it's financial reality. But here's the good news: one powerful tool can serve as your invisible armor. It's not flashy, but it's fiercely effective. Welcome to the ultimate guide on umbrella insurance, the best kept secret of the world's wealthiest and wisest. You've built a life that many only dream of. Whether through entrepreneurship, executive leadership, or smart investing, your success is admirable, but it also makes you a target. In a world where lawsuits are common and damages can reach into the millions, your standard liability insurance simply isn't enough. That's where umbrella insurance steps in. Think of it as the last line of defense for your assets, reputation, and financial legacy. What is umbrella insurance? Umbrella insurance is a form of personal liability insurance that goes beyond the limits of your standard home, auto, or boat insurance. It covers legal fees, medical bills, and damages when your basic policies max out. It's not just for the ultra-rich, it's for the smart, strategic, and forward-thinking. It's wealth insurance, plain and simple. Real-world example: the $2 million mistake. Meet David, a successful tech entrepreneur in California. One rainy afternoon, his teenage son rear-ends a luxury SUV, causing severe injury to the other driver. The total lawsuit? $2.3 million. His auto insurance only covered $300,000. Without an umbrella policy, David would have had to liquidate investments and sell off real estate. But he didn't panic because he had $5 million in umbrella coverage. Total peace of mind for less than the price of a dinner out each month. Why high net worth individuals must pay attention. You are more likely to be sued just because of your wealth. You may own multiple properties, luxury vehicles, or investment portfolios, each a potential liability. You host events, employ household staff, or sit on nonprofit boards, all risk factors. Your kids or spouse may unintentionally cause harm: online defamation, car accidents, or even a neighbor's slip and fall. A lawsuit isn't just a legal battle, it's a reputational war. Actionable takeaways. Evaluate your net worth and risk exposure. Speak to a licensed broker who specializes in high net worth asset protection. Buy umbrella coverage of at least $2 million, most policies start at $1 million. Bundle policies to lower costs and maximize coverage. Reassess annually, your risks grow as your wealth grows. How to choose the right policy. Not all umbrella policies are created equal. Look for worldwide coverage. Coverage for libel, slander, defamation, key in today's online world. Protection against uninsured/underinsured motorists. Extended coverage for rental properties and domestic employees. Trusted carriers like Chubb, Pure, or AIG Private Client Group. Expert tip: always use an independent advisor who works with multiple insurers to compare benefits and pricing. Cost vs. consequence. The average umbrella policy of $1 million in coverage costs less than $400 per year. That's about $1 per day for financial armor against million-dollar lawsuits. The value it provides? Priceless. Remember, when you have a lot to lose, you need more than just a lawyer, you need a financial moat. And umbrella insurance is the moat your castle desperately needs. The psychological and emotional impact. Beyond numbers and policies lies something even more valuable: peace of mind. Umbrella insurance gives you the freedom to live boldly, knowing your wealth, your family, and your legacy are protected. That's the ultimate motivation: freedom from fear. Top 5 FAQs, answered. Do I need umbrella insurance if I already have high-limit auto and home insurance? Yes. Even high limits have caps. Umbrella coverage kicks in after those caps, protecting your personal wealth. Is umbrella insurance tax deductible? Generally, not for personal use, but if you're using it for rental properties or business coverage, check with a CPA. How much umbrella insurance should I buy? Start with at least your total net worth, but consider future earnings, too. A $5 million policy is standard for many HNWIs. Does umbrella insurance cover lawsuits from social media defamation? Yes, most policies now include libel and slander, a must in today's digital age. Can it cover my teenage children or spouse? Absolutely, most policies extend coverage to family members under the same household. Here's a step-by-step process for obtaining umbrella insurance, specifically designed for high net worth individuals. Step 1. Assess your risk exposure. Evaluate your total net worth, including real estate, investment portfolios, luxury vehicles, business holdings, and liquid assets. Consider potential risks. Do you entertain at home? Own multiple properties? Have a teen driver or employees? This will determine how much liability coverage you need beyond your existing auto or home insurance. Step 2. Review existing insurance policies. Examine your auto, homeowners, boat, or rental property insurance to understand the liability limits. Most umbrella policies require a minimum of $250,000 to $500,000 in auto and home liability coverage before you can add umbrella coverage. Tip: insurance carriers won't issue an umbrella policy without baseline limits in place. Step 3. Determine how much umbrella coverage you need. Typical coverage begins at $1 million, but high net worth individuals often need $5 million, $50 million or more. Calculate the gap between your current liability coverage and your total net assets. Consider future earnings, brand value, if you're a public figure, and potential lawsuits. Step 4. Shop around for reputable carriers. Look for providers specializing in luxury insurance or private client services, Chubb, Pure Insurance, AIG Private Client Group, etc. Request quotes from multiple carriers to compare premiums, bundling discounts, and added protections. Work with a financial advisor or insurance broker. A specialized wealth advisor or insurance broker can identify blind spots and negotiate better terms. They may offer insights into structuring your insurance stack to minimize risk exposure at the lowest cost. Step 6. Apply and undergo underwriting. Once you've selected a policy, the insurer will review your financial profile, property ownership, driver records, and claims history. Be transparent during underwriting to avoid future denial of claims. Step 7. Finalize policy and keep it updated. Bind the policy and ensure all coverage is active. Conduct annual reviews, especially after major life events such as property acquisitions, business changes, or legal issues. Additional tips. Always bundle with home/auto policies for discounts. Ask about worldwide liability, especially important for global travel. Include employment practices liability insurance, EPLI, if you employ domestic staff. If you're serious about protecting your wealth and reputation, don't wait until you're hit with a lawsuit. Take action today. Share this video with someone who owns a business, luxury property, or is just one accident away from financial ruin. Like, comment with your questions, and subscribe for more expert-level financial guidance. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal, financial, or insurance advice. Always consult a licensed insurance professional or financial advisor for guidance specific to your situation.